Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to stream on Discord on Crunchyroll. This is very simple. First thing you will have to do is to go to your Chrome website settings. So go to settings and system and then turn off graphic acceleration and click relaunch. This will fix the black screen issue. So open up the Chrome again and you will be able to see right here. You can close this one, go to Discord, and now simply go to your server, go to General, then share your screen, click on Crunchyroll, and here just start watching an episode that you want to share with your friends, and voila, this will load up. And as you can see on the Discord, you are sharing your screen and invite anyone right here to see. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.